Well, hello, it is Dexter the Griswolds and me. We're on now, we're a little regular nature walk alongside the main London to Swansea railway line. And what I'm going to try and do this year is do this walk once every month and then document those monthly changes. I've already spotted a little blue tit, but he wasn't very cooperative in posing, so hopefully I'll see more on the way round. And there was a robin just behind where you are now, but he's just flown off. But I got loads of pictures of robins already this year. Yeah, so that's the goal anyway. Do this once a month. We've already done it in January. I'll put a link to that video up above, so you can come along with us and see the changes month by month. Not that much happens, but you know, you never know. Let's see what we can spot today. I've got my XH2 with the 100 to 400 on, and I've also got my D800E with the macro lens on, or the Robin's back. So I can capture, I think, most. He's gone again. Most of the things I spot, I can capture without having to change lenses. So that was the goal of that. Right, I'm going to catch up with these three, and we'll see you on the way around. I bought a macro attachment for this DJI Osmo thingamabob the other day, so I'm going to try it now. It's in here somewhere. I'm sure I brought it with me. Oh, don't tell me I left it in the car. Hang on. I might have left it in the car. Oh. Oh, it might be in another pocket. Hang on. You don't get this content anywhere else on YouTube, do you? This quality. Do you? Seamless, this, isn't it? Seamless. Right, hang on. Bit of ASMR with a zip. Hang on. Is it in this pocket? Yeah, it's in here. Right, I got it. Right then. As I said, I've got this close-up attachment. Hang on, I'll do my zip back up. Oh, the camera work. You know, the camera work on this channel amazes me. Right, then let's try this attachment. See if it's worth the, I don't know, few pounds I spent on it. Right then, here's the. Oh, that's all right actually, isn't it? That's not so bad. I'm only about a centimetre away from this bit of like tufty stuff. I'm quite impressed. I think that's going to add another dimension to my videos. That'll make it two. Start a collection. Sony, are you watching? Where's my award? I'm about a quarter of the way through, and there's not an awful lot to see. I'll tell you, that blue tit that hid from me, a dunnock that I missed focus on. Bethan saw a J. Did you get a picture of him?
Yeah,
yeah, and it saw her, and they're quite shy Jays, so that cleared off. A couple of sparrows. That's about it for now, really. All a bit, I don't know, all a bit disappointing. It is quite a cold old morning though, a bit of a cold breeze blowing. Well, I say we're only about a quarter of the way through. We're heading into the wooded section now, so maybe we see some more stuff in there. Who knows? Who knows, eh? Right, onwards. I've done doing my usual thing of picking up interesting looking leaves that I see on my journeys. Now normally, when about this time of year, you find those leaves with all like the knobbly bobbly bits on them. I'll pop a picture up of when I took a couple of years ago, but I've not been seeing them much this year. If anybody knows what those knobbly wobbly bits are called, please let me know in the comments. As you can tell, I am a fully qualified botanist. Yeah, so if anybody knows what they are called, let me know. But I haven't seen many of them this year. But still, I've collected a fair few leaves up. So when we get home, I'll do my usual, empty the bag out onto the kitchen floor, annoying my wonderful wife in the process, especially if there's a slug in there. All right now, and what I'll do now is I'll pop up the image that I made. All right. Bethan's just spotted these lovely red mushrooms growing in some lovely verdant green moss. So I'll pop the close-up filter on you now and show you, and I'm going to get my D800E and the 105mm macro out and go and take a proper picture. I fancy a proper picture, me. Right then, okay, I'm going to go down there, and it's a bit off the beaten track, so I'll have to leave my walker here. Hope I don't fall on the way down to where they are, and then get my picture. I think it'll probably be a focus bracket, so I will need my tripod. Scarlet cups. Bethan's just found it on her phone. They are Scarlet cups. I think I've got them on my app. I haven't got my phone with me to check, but I'll get a nice picture. Well, as nice as I can get. Anyway, so let's go down and take a look. Trying out the macro stroke close-up lens again. It's quite good, isn't it? Means that if I'm out now shooting a macro subject, I can share it with you on video as well. I'm well chuffed with this little lens attachment. Well chuffed. Well done, K&F Concept, or whoever made it. Well, we're on our way back now, and yeah, it's been alright actually. I enjoyed looking at those catkins. They were really nice. Got quite a nice picture. With the Fujifilm, I didn't bother with a macro lens, but as I said, I'm more than happy with this K&F Concept close-up lens for the Osmo. Really chuffed with that. Yeah, so anyway, we turned around, we're on our way back. What I'll do is put a montage up of the photos at the end for you to see. And yeah, it's been a very enjoyable little hour and a bit out with the pup and the Griswolds. Right, until next time, be nice, okay? And we'll do this again next month. See what we see.